Printable scripture cards are usually used in Bible study time with God and are super easy to make that can be easily printed out, and you can also keep them handy in your purse. In this video tutorial, we would show you how you can make your own printable scripture cards using Google Docs and where you can find some pre-made prayer cards online that you can also print. Start by opening up Google Docs and then go to the File tab, then select Page Setup. And here you can choose which size you want for your scripture cards. Change the margins to 0 inches around the document to maximize the page, and you can also change the orientation if you'd like. Then select OK. Next is to go to Insert tab and then select Table. You can add the columns and rows based on how many scriptures you would want to fit, but here we will do 3 columns and 2 rows every page. Note that you should know how many to make, and then keep inserting and resizing the tables. The next step is to select the borders, and you can choose the design of the border. Here we'll choose a dotted line since it will only be a guide in printing. And from this point onwards, you can be creative as much as you'd like. You can type in any Bible verse and then change its font size, and font color. Or you can also add a simple background or an image by going to the Insert tab and then select Image. Once inserted, change these layout options to Behind Text to type in your text. You may also want to add some nice borders by inserting a picture again. And then once inserted, choose Behind Text in the layout options. But if you want to save time and have some pre-made printable scripture cards, launch in your browser and type in Printable Scripture Cards. This would show you a variety of options, but here we'll choose this website. And then from here, you can download this by clicking on this icon. And that's how easy you can create your own printable scripture cards in Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.